welcome to my channel. It's me, Gian. For today's video, I'll be sharing 3 uncommonly used Filipino words together with their definition and example sentences.
A few moments later.
First, alogwahe. Definition: carpenter, a person skilled in woodworking and constructing wooden objects or buildings. In sentence, kinailangan namin kumuha ng alogwahe para ayusin ang nasira naming silya. Second, dalumhati. Definition: deep sorrow or grief, an intense emotion or sadness. In sentence, nakadama siya ng matinding dalumhati nang mawala ang kanyang dalawang aso. And the last one, balakid. Definition: obstacle or barrier, something that hinders progress or movement. In sentence, maraming balakid sa landas ng tagumpay, ngunit kailangan natin itong pagtagumpayan.